Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, blue color, brown color, yellow color, green color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color O-N-E 1. 2, the numbers of 2, and again use red color T-W-O 2. Kids now you do 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color T-H-R-E-E 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4, the numbers of 4, F-O-U-R 4. Kids again use blue color and draw 5, the numbers of 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use brown color S-I-X 6. Kids again use brown color and draw 7, the numbers of 7. Kids now draw 8, the numbers of 8, and use yellow color Kids again use yellow color and draw 9, the numbers of 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10, the numbers of 10, T-E and 10. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use green color Kids again use green color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use black color Kids again use black color and draw 14, the numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15, and again use black color Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use red color Kids again use red color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18, the numbers of 18, and use blue color Kids again use blue color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. Kids again use blue color and last draw 20, the numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.